Hey, check this out. I'm over at the nursery again. This time I'm in Long Beach. And we're looking for some camellias. And we're looking for some azaleas. So we're going to take a look and see what they have available here in, at our west side nursery. A lot of shade lovers here, and this is kind of like what we're looking for. We're looking for some plant material that's going to do pretty well in the shade. We have one area that we want to put plant material in that is almost totally shade. So we have a grouping of azaleas here. Look like they're all 1 gallon stuff. Pulling from now, we got red. A lot of azaleas are in bloom right now. So we walk down here, see what's available. Like a lot of plants has been pulled lately. These fires that we had, probably a lot of contractors are stocking up and getting the plants ready to go in order to put them in. So we'll sneak back up in here and see what's available. Looks pretty thin. Looks pretty thin, especially when we're talking about camellias. There's an azalea back there, but that's white. Client wants to get purple. Do I have to make a run all the way out to Riverside to get this? This is azaleas here. They're all white. And it's camellias. I don't know what color they are. Maybe red. We're looking for purple. And we are looking for purple azaleas. And we're looking for some more camellias, and it doesn't look like we have any here. So there's one nursery out in Riverside that I may just go ahead and make the run and go out there, pick up what we need. So just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. Hopefully I was going to find some, but we're not going to find any. We got a lot of plant material out here, a lot of vegetables and stuff like that that are been transplanted out. To see what we have here. You have Italian parsley, you have rue. So these are all getting ready for spring for the vegetable gardens. You have a lot of English thyme. So a lot of all this stuff is planted up from liners. They have liners, little small plugs. I did a video on that a while back. They take the plugs and they plant them into these 6-inch pot, 4-inch pot containers to get them all ready to go. So all these plants, they'll be up and ready probably within the next 3 to 4 weeks. We have a bunch of mint growing right here. There's some fennel. And you have a bunch of annual flowers, bedding plants that are going to be available. So this is all planted out. Wow, we got a lot of plants going on here, getting things ready for the spring. We had some rains the past 2 days, so all these plants got a lot of natural rainfall. That's Garia. That's a really beautiful plant, the Garia. Pretty drought tolerant, water conserving plant. I think it's a native here in California. A lot of grasses. But as you can see, they have everything pretty much planted out, and they're getting ready. They're getting ready for the springtime. A lot of nurseries or a lot of contractors, they come out and they buy liners like this. This is your ranunculus. Some things that are going to be kind of like fading out, but right now it's still pretty cool. So you can get away with some of the plant material here that are more of your winter type plants. These are ranunculus. Those are beautiful plants when they bloom out. This is the type of flower they have. I think it's ranunculus. Make sure. Let's say here. Yeah, ranunculus. You have yellows, there's purples. Almost looks like a button. Sometimes they call them bachelor buttons. But there's a bunch of them, and so with this cool weather, we're still able to install these. But a lot of contractors that come in and they buy like flats of it, and that's how they get their annual color. These particular plants I think they're a bulb, so they may come back the following year. It's just more like a perennial. But this is what's going on here at the nursery here in on West Side of Long Beach. Wasn't able to find what I came to look for, but decided just to do a little bit of a tour, show you what's happening, what's growing, what's being grown, get things ready for the spring. Here we have a bunch of bare roots. Here's a bunch of 1 gallon bare root roses that is starting to kick out the blooms. Nice. And then you have your patio roses over here that are pretty much getting ready to go. A lot of different roses. We have some roses there. A lot of different varieties, different colors. Things have been pruned back and like they're starting to kick in. Got all your soil amendments and all your succulents and stuff right here. A lot of different succulents. A lot of variety. But this is an excellent place to come to pull plants, because you can get nice pricing here on the west side. I will make a link so that way you'll know where to come if you're here in Southern California in the Los Angeles South Bay area. The name of the nursery is called United Plant Growers. They do a lot of plant material that they market to the big box stores. So there you go. Stay tuned and watch the magic.